Hello students, I am Soumitra Singh Thakur, founder of the School Excellence Program. Preparing for board exams requires more than just study. It's about retaining what you learn effectively. Today, I'll share proven memory techniques that will help you boost retention and recall during your exams. First is chunking. Organize information into manageable units. Trying to memorize large chunks of information can overwhelm your brain, but chunking makes it easier. What is chunking? It's breaking down information into smaller, meaningful groups. For example, in history, group events into eras like ancient, medieval, and modern. For math, organize formulas by topic, algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. Why it works? It works because chunking aligns with how our brain processes and stores information, making retrieval quicker and more reliable. Start by summarizing chapters into bullet points or flashcards to simplify your study material. Second is association. Link new information to what you already know. Associating new knowledge with familiar concepts is a powerful memory tool. And how to apply it? In science, relate chemical reactions to real life applications like cooking or combustion. Use mnemonics like my very educated mother just served us noodles for remembering planets in order of distance from the sun. Associations create strong mental connections, making information easier to recall during exams. Challenge yourself to create your own association for difficult concepts. It's a fun and effective learning process. Third is visualization. Picture concepts for long-term retention. Our brain retains images more effectively than text, which is why visualization is so effective. You can use mind maps to connect related concepts. For example, in biology, create a visual flow chart for the digestive system showing each organ and its function. Practice drawing label diagrams repeatedly, such as the human heart, the water cycle, or cell structures. Make it interactive. Combine colors, symbols, or doodles in your notes to create a vivid mental image that sticks with you. Visualization helps in understanding and remembering topics while keeping your revision engaging. Boosting memory and retention doesn't have to be complicated. Use techniques like chunking to break information into smaller parts. Associate to connect new ideas with what you already know. And visualization to make learning more engaging and effective. To further support your preparation, I have created subject-specific strategies and timelines tailored for CBSE Grade 10th and 12th aspirants. These resources are freely available on my website and can be downloaded to help you excel in your board exams. I humbly request teachers and principals to access these resources and share them with their students to enhance their preparation. Keep practicing, stay focused, and stay confident in your preparation. Wishing you all the best for your board exams. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.